Unraveling the mystery, called on the carpet. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, called on the carpet. This expression has a rich history and a meaning that might surprise you. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery together. The phrase, called on the carpet, refers to being summoned for a reprimand by someone in authority. It's equivalent to being scolded or asked to explain one's actions, typically because you've done something wrong. Imagine being a child and having your parents call you to the living room rug to scold you. That's the picture this phrase paints. The origin of called on the carpet dates back to the 19th century, rooted in the practice of calling someone onto a carpeted area of an office, which was often a sign of luxury and authority. Back then, not every room was carpeted, so being called onto a carpet meant you were being brought into a space of importance, usually for a serious conversation. Now, let's look at how to incorporate called on the carpet into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. The manager called me on the carpet for being late to the meeting. I was called on the carpet by my teacher for not completing my homework. She was afraid of being called on the carpet for the mistake in the report. These sentences show the phrase in action, highlighting its usage in professional and personal contexts. Understanding synonyms can expand your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same idea. Here are some synonyms for called on the carpet: reprimanded, chastised, upbraided, taken to task. Each of these can be used in similar contexts but might carry slightly different connotations or formality levels. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, called on the carpet. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about discovering the stories behind the words and phrases we use. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.